Welcome to our channel. Today we bring you the latest and greatest drone on a budget. Get ready as we dive into the best budget drones on AliExpress. All the links of the drones are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Introducing the K918 PRO RC 4K Professional Drone, the ultimate way to capture stunning aerial footage. Equipped with a 4K electric modulation dual camera, you can capture incredibly detailed and crisp footage from high above. And with 4-way obstacle avoidance technology, you can fly with confidence, knowing that your drone will avoid any obstacles in its path. Even when flying at night, this drone excels with its high-light night navigation light, ensuring that you can see where you're going even in low-light conditions. With just one press of a button, you can effortlessly launch your drone into the sky or bring it back down to the ground. And when you want to capture stunning footage from a stationary position, the Beauty Shooting feature allows you to do just that. Plus, with optical flow positioning technology, you'll be able to fly precisely and steadily, even when you're flying close to the ground. And for when you need an extra burst of speed, the Speed Switch feature allows you to quickly adjust the drone's speed to match your needs. Finally, with its HD image transmission technology, you'll be able to stream live footage of your flight directly to your phone or tablet. The K918 PRO RC 4K Professional Drone, the ultimate way to capture stunning aerial footage. Order yours today. Introducing the LSRC X-T9 Mini 4K Professional FPV Drone, the perfect tool for capturing your adventures in stunning detail. Let's take a look at some of its amazing features. First up, we have the 4K HD camera that delivers crystal clear images with incredible detail. Whether you're shooting video or stills, this camera ensures that your footage is always sharp and vivid. And if you're on the move, don't worry, the LSRC X-T9 Mini Drone has got you covered. Its portable folding body makes it easy to take with you wherever you go. Safety is always a top priority when it comes to drones, and the LSRC X-T9 Drone is no exception. With dual camera switching and avoidance technology, you can be confident that your drone will navigate any environment with ease. And speaking of versatility, the LSRC X-T9 Drone also features brushless motors and creative beauty filters, giving you even more control over your footage. And finally, if you ever lose track of your drone, no need to panic. The LSRC X-T9 Drone has an automatic and precise return home function that ensures your drone returns to you safely. The LSRC X-T9 Mini 4K Professional FPV Drone is the ultimate tool for capturing your adventures and creating stunning content. So why wait? Get yours today and start capturing your world in breathtaking detail. Are you looking for a drone that can take your aerial entertainment to new heights? Look no further than the K106 LED light drone. This drone, equipped with more advanced flight hardware than ever before, this drone offers stunning visuals and unrivaled performance. With its cutting-edge obstacle avoidance technology, you can enjoy worry-free flight even in crowded areas. The air pressure fixed height and optical flow positioning dual positioning ensure stable balance and beta flying, making it easy to fly indoors or outdoors. And with its high-definition dual cameras, free switching, and 50x zoom shooting, you'll never miss a moment of the action. The HD video transmission means you can enjoy the distant scenery immediately. This LED light drone can withstand winds up to level 4, ensuring stable flight no matter what the conditions. And with its follow and draw functions, you can customize your flight experience like never before. The drone boasts a powerful 7.4 volts, 1800 mAh battery, allowing for up to 15 minutes of flight time. And with a remote control distance of 300 meters, you can explore even further. Upgrade to the K106 LED light drone today and experience the future of aerial entertainment. Introducing the K6S PRO RC Drone, your professional 4K dual camera companion. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to capture stunning aerial shots with ease? Meet the K6S PRO RC Drone, your ultimate professional drone companion. With its 4K dual camera and advanced features, taking breathtaking shots has never been easier. Let's take a closer look at what makes the K6S PRO RC Drone stand out from the rest. The K6S PRO RC Drone comes equipped with 4-way obstacle avoidance, ensuring that your flight is always safe and secure. The highlight night navigation light allows for easy tracking even in low-light conditions. The one-button takeoff and landing feature ensures that even beginners can take to the skies with ease. The Beauty Shooting feature captures stunning visuals with ease, making you look your best from any angle. The optical flow positioning keeps the drone stable and steady, even in windy conditions. The speed switch allows you to switch between slow and fast speeds, giving you complete control over your flight. With the 360 degrees roll feature, you can perform stunning aerial acrobatics with ease. Using the app control feature, you can easily control your drone using your smartphone. The trajectory flight feature allows you to plan and execute your flight path, repeating it as many times as you like. With the headless mode feature, you don't have to worry about the drone's orientation, making landing a breeze. And with the gesture photography feature, taking a picture is as easy as giving a thumbs up. With a 20-minute endurance and HD image transmission, the K6 Pro RC drone is the ultimate professional drone companion. So why wait? Get your hands on the K6 Pro RC drone today and start capturing breathtaking aerial shots like never before. Are you looking for a drone that is easy to carry, captures stunning pictures and videos, and has advanced? Look no further than the M8 Pro GPS drone. This drone has foldable arms, making it easy to transport wherever your adventures take you. And with its 360-degree automatic obstacle avoidance function, you don't have to worry about crashing into anything. Connect the M8 Pro to your phone via 5G Wi-Fi and use the app or APK system to take pictures and videos in real time through the drone's built-in 8K pixel HD camera. This drone also includes GPS 1-key return, low-power return, and 1-key return without signal, so you can focus on capturing the perfect shot without worrying about losing your drone. Thanks to optical flow positioning and dual camera switching, this drone is great for indoor flying as well. And with altitude hold mode and headless mode, flying has never been easier. Use the 1-key takeoff and landing or return function to easily navigate your drone back home. Or draw a flight path on the screen and watch as the M8 Pro autonomously follows your commands. For an even more immersive experience, use the mobile app with VR glasses to feel like you're flying through the air. With its 3.7 volts, 2000 mAh modular battery, its flight time of up to 25 minutes and a remote control distance of 5,000 meters. With 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology, you can be sure that your drone won't lose connection mid-flight. And with its 6-axis gyroscope and LED lights, the M8 Pro is a joy to fly both day and night. So what are you waiting for? Experience the thrill of flying with the M8 Pro GPS drone. Introducing the S6S 4K Professional drone, the ultimate tool for capturing high-quality aerial footage. With its wide-angle 8K high-definition Wi-Fi front lens and optical flow high-definition lens at the bottom, you can easily switch camera angles to capture the perfect shot. The altitude fixing function with optical flow positioning and fixed point function keeps the drone stable in flight, while the ultra-long battery life of the 3.7 volts, 3000 mAh lithium battery. You can stay in the air for up to 35 minutes. Customize your route by drawing the picture you want to fly on the app and let the drone do the rest. Control the drone with ease using the app mobile phone control, 1-key return, headless mode, up and down, forward and backward, left and right side flight. Use gesture photography to take selfies on the go, while the obstacle avoidance gimbal components ensure that you stop without collision when encountering obstacles. The brushless motor provides stronger power and longer service life, while the product's light size and weight, with a body weight of 174 grams, make it easy to carry with you wherever you go. This professional drone features 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology, 6-axis gyroscope, and a more stable flight for more convenient control. So why wait? Get your hands on the S6S 4K Professional drone today and capture stunning aerial footage like never before. Introducing the new K918 MAX GPS Drone, the ultimate tool for capturing breathtaking aerial footage. With its 4D infrared obstacle avoidance system, you can safely navigate any terrain. And with its foldable arms, this drone is easy to transport wherever your adventure takes you. It is equipped with a 4K 50x zoom HD camera, allowing you to capture stunning shots from any angle. You can even control the lens angle remotely, so you never miss a shot. With the 5G Wi-Fi function, you can connect the drone to your smartphone and capture photos and videos in real time. The drone's 3-axis self-stabilizing mechanical gimbal ensures that your footage stays smooth and stable, even during windy conditions. Thanks to its GPS positioning mode, this drone provides more accurate flight paths. And with a 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance of up to 1,500 meters, you can explore further than ever before. The waypoint flight mode allows you to draw a path on the screen and let the drone fly on autopilot. And with follow mode, the drone will track your every move, giving you the freedom to capture stunning footage without worrying about controlling the drone. With a 7.4 volts, 3000 mAh battery, its flight time of up to 25 minutes. And with one key return function, you can easily find your way back home. With its 4 channels and 6-axis gyroscope, this drone is easy to control, and its high-strength engineering plastic body ensures durability. And with 3 different flight speeds, you can customize your experience for maximum fun. Experience the power of brushless motors and strong wind resistance with the K918 MAX GPS Drone, the ultimate tool for capturing stunning aerial footage. Have you ever wished that you could capture your adventures from a whole new perspective? Introducing the S6S Mini Drone, the perfect tool for all your aerial photography needs. The S6S Mini Drone is packed with amazing features like intelligent obstacle avoidance, dual lens switching, and 360-degree view. With brushless motors and optical flow positioning, this drone is built to perform. Take stunning photos and videos with ease, thanks to its aerial photography capabilities and real-time transmission. And with trajectory flight, capturing the perfect shot has never been easier. Want to take your adventures to the next level? The S6S Mini Drone's mobile phone control and headless mode make it easy for anyone to use. With one-touch takeoff and landing, you can focus on the fun while the drone does the work. And when you're done, simply fold the fuselage for easy storage and transportation. Whether you're an experienced pilot or a beginner, the S6S Mini Drone is perfect for any adventure. Get yours today and see the world from a whole new perspective. Are you ready to take your aerial photography game to the next level? Introducing the L500 PRO 4K GPS Drone. This drone is packed with features that will make capturing stunning footage easy, no matter where your adventures take you. Its foldable arms make it compact and easy to carry, perfect for taking on trips or hikes. The 4K HD wide-angle camera can be adjusted by 90 degrees using the controller, giving you the perfect angle for any shot. With 5G Wi-Fi, you can connect to an app and stream real-time video from the drone straight to your phone. GPS-assisted flight provides accurate positioning information for the drone, ensuring that it never gets lost. The drone will automatically return to home when its battery is low or if it's flown out of range. The optical flow positioning system makes flying indoors easier and more stable, while altitude hold mode ensures that the drone stays steady in the air. Gesture photo and video modes let you capture amazing shots without ever touching a button. Just make a gesture and the drone will snap the picture or start recording. With up to 28 minutes of flight time, the L500 PRO has plenty of juice for all your aerial photography needs. The brushless motor is powerful and quiet, making for a smoother and more enjoyable flight experience. Finally, the quadcopter fuselage is made of high-strength engineering plastics, meaning it's both lightweight and durable. The L500 PRO 4K GPS Drone is the perfect tool for capturing amazing aerial footage on your next adventure. Are you looking for an affordable and reliable quadcopter that can capture stunning aerial footage? Introducing the S136 4K GPS Drone. This drone is packed with features that will take your photography and videography to the next level. With its 4K HD camera, you'll be able to capture high-quality images and videos from above. You can remotely control the lens angle up to 90 degrees for even wider shots. This 4K GPS drone also features laser obstacle avoidance technology, which enables real-time 360-degree rotation detection of the obstacle avoidance head. You'll never have to worry about crashing into anything while flying. And with the 5G Wi-Fi function, you can connect the drone to your phone's app or APK system to take pictures and video and enjoy real-time transmission through the phone's camera image. The Wi-Fi FPV distance is up to 1,000 meters, so you can explore far and wide with ease. GPS positioning mode makes for more accurate and stable flight, while optical flow fixed point hover provides stable hovering. Follow Me mode is perfect for capturing active shots, as the drone will follow you and your cell phone wherever you go. This 4K GPS drone is also designed to withstand strong winds and support sea flight, thanks to its brushless motor power and high-strength engineering plastic fuselage. With headless mode and one key return, you don't have to worry about adjusting the position of the aircraft before flying or losing it in the sky. And with its foldable arm design, this drone is compact and easy to carry wherever you go. So why wait? Order your S136 4K GPS drone today and take your aerial photography and videography skills to new heights. The S6S Mini GPS Drone, the perfect combination of power and precision. With its advanced features and sleek design, this drone is ideal for capturing breathtaking footage and exploring the world from new heights. It is equipped with a wide-angle 4K HD Wi-Fi front lens and a 1080-pixel bottom HD optical flow camera. The S6S Mini GPS Drone captures stunning, high-quality images and videos. The camera angle can be switched, and electronic anti-shake technology ensures clear and stable photos. With precise GPS positioning, this drone can perform one-key return, no-signal return, and low-power return functions. The 7.4-volt 1600 mAh lithium battery provides a super long endurance time of about 25 minutes, while charging only takes about 2 hours. Customizable flight routes allow you to draw your desired path on the app. This, combined with intelligent following, palm control, and map real-time positioning, makes this mini GPS drone easy to use and control. This mini drone also features gesture photography, brushless motors, and ultra-long endurance. Its mini size and lightweight make it incredibly portable and easy to travel. With left and right side flight capabilities, automatic switching between optical flow and GPS, and headless mode, this drone is versatile and adaptable to any situation. The brushless motor provides stronger power and longer service life, making this drone a reliable and durable choice for all your aerial photography needs. If you're looking for a powerful, precise, and versatile drone, look no further than the S6S Mini GPS Drone. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video thumbs up.